Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby.
Okay, we're at a mall in Hengqin, not too far from Macau, and it's kind of cool because they have Superbike, they have a Dam Gala restaurant, which is quite common. There's a couple of them in Macau, so they have a chain here, which is, it looks like they have some of the same foods. So kind of interesting, a little bit different, fried spaghetti with beef. Okay, anyways, we're gonna put this up on the map. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, it's starting to rain a little bit. We are going to go this way. I think I'm going to see what's out here first. And then we're gonna Dam Gala. So that's kind of the corner of it. Let me see if I can capture that. We got a Portuguese restaurant here. And that's all part of the mall. Let's go up here and take a look. So Portuguese foods, steak, coffee, whiskey bar. And you got a Portuguese chicken there too. Looks like this is for kids. And there's people all the way up there too. Here's another Macau reference. I think that's a Macau reference too, but then definitely this sign. Green Island Road. Okay, so let's go on inside. There's actually a craft beer place over here as well. There's quite a few people around in here too. Let me just kind of see. So yeah, right here, it says Zebra Craft Beer. So yeah, there's actually quite a few people outside here too. We're gonna go back in there in a moment. We'll just kind of step outside. So you can see some of the skyline over there. The Macau Tower is directly right there. That red is Macau Tower. And actually that pink is a bridge over on Macau to Taipa. Yeah, look how tall that is. The top floors are not lit. I wonder if we can, I'm gonna try to look for that on the Macau side in the future. But yeah, kind of cool. So yeah, craft beer, Zebra Craft Beer. And I think they also have all the bottles up there as well. And they got meat. Skewers and skewers of meat. Okay. So they have kind of electronic music down that way. I'm not sure why, but there's actually some YouTubers, there's lots of people taking pictures and cameras down there too. But we're just gonna keep on going down. I think this one is a Macau reference everywhere, because you have that Macau sign, so that's pretty typical in Macau. So I don't know if this is set up for tourists or what it is. Then we're gonna come into the mall. And there's several different floors. Just kind of look up a little bit so you can see it's raining. I'm feeling the rain right in here. So it's an open design. And there's also a fountain in the middle. So you got Haiti down that way. I think I'm gonna walk out of the rain. There's a cinema, supermarket, Miniso. It should probably go up to the second floor. Something called Common Cafe straight ahead. Let's go up to the second floor. We'll see what views we can get. Miniso, the one. Okay, let me just kind of capture. Ah, here's a hot pot right there. Lindsay hot pot. So you can kind of see, it's like a furniture store straight ahead. Okay. And it looks like we have a cinema, so we're gonna go towards the cinema. There's another restaurant here. Let's go towards this one too. Grilled meat. That's kind of cool. Nice windows. And then there's a cinema right here called China Film Lighthouse Cinema. And this is actually my second time here, so I wanted to see what this looks like at night. There we go. So now you can see the Macau Tower in red on the bridge. Actually, those are some nice restaurants up there too. Okay, we're gonna meander. So we're up on the second story, and we're kind of getting more rain, so it's a nice design, because actually, to be honest, even though it's raining, it feels good. Having that nice breeze like that feels great. It's a bakery. Luso hot pot. So we're gonna try to go down that way in a moment. Let's kind of take a look at this hot pot. Oyster chicken hot pot. That sign just went down. Huh. The wind just knocked that down. Okay, so there's actually a KTV over there. There's actually all the way down as well. I think that might be a parking garage down below. Anyways, we are gonna go see. Okay, So you got a hot pot restaurant. I kind of want to see what that's all about. So that hot pot one looks really popular. You got a long line right there. So I guess that's like oyster. Huh. Looks pretty good. And then this one, you got some goose. Okay, let's go take a look over here. So you can see down in there. It's a bit windy. Okay, so we are going to take a look at this one. Face Cafe. Oh, there's we're gonna keep on walking down this way. Good day, rice. I just saw my favorite lemon tea shop. That looks pretty good too. Yeah. Let's see. Looks really good. Rice Haven, it's called. Rice Paradise. I wouldn't mind eating that one. The oyster looks good too. So let's keep on going down. Kind of want to go up there and see. Wow, look at all these. They're all so fresh. Okay, this is the other thing I wanted to see. I also want to see it from up above too. But maybe we don't need to go up above. Yeah, they have this walkway all the way to. Let's just do the walkway. So that's my favorite lemon one. This one is. Oops. Let's take a look over here real quick. So this is my favorite lemon tea shop, Linley, and then you get this duck with it as well. Okay, so this is one part of the mall right in here. And then let me just kind of see. I'm just gonna walk down this way. Yaojin Zhuhai. Let's see what this is. Okay. Looks like some. Okay, it's kind of windy. So we are going to this other place, Fusion Cuisine. Got clams as well. Bistro. Okay, so we're going to be overlooking this. Then we're going to walk all the way down it. Just kind of capture it while we're here. So there's more outdoor seating over there, all of that, and there's stuff up above as well. But for me, I'm kind of curious to go over here and try to get all the views. But yeah, there's a whole other section over there. Look at all these tall buildings too. So these are all residential, I believe. Could be office space, but I think they're residential. So this will connect to a few places. And if way over there you can see there's KFC. Let's see what else we got. And it looks like this goes in a roundabout circle. I guess that's probably because it goes over the road. We will see that too. Let's take a look over here before we move too far away. Ah, lightning. Okay, so we are gonna move over this side and see what's over here. Huh. So you can see some kind of cool architecture over there. There's a lot of architecture over here too. Let's take a look at this. This is all kind of new to me. Yeah, check out that interesting architecture. So this mall has, and that over there I believe is the Macau side. I think that's called Ocean Gardens over on the other side. And then I don't know if you can see the skyline at all, but there's actually a mountain straight. It's like a little bit up on the horizon. I can kind of see it. So we are going to walk over into this part. Let's see what that's all about. And we get a view of this one as well. Pretty cool. Okay. You can also see some buildings straight ahead too, right? Under the road. That road is cut off to traffic down below. This is my second time here, and I saw that the first time I was here too. So now we're coming into this part, and Chinese iron plate, and I saw KFC, and I also saw Domino's. So looks like there's some restaurant choices over here as well. This seems a little bit more quiet. I think it's called the Hengqin Mall. There's actually a burger place over there too. Santos Burger. This is my other time here. I'll link it at the end. I did kind of look at that menu briefly. Nanyang restaurant. That's in Macau. I see Nanyang restaurant. I forget what Nanyang means. Number 8. Let's see. Okay, let's see what else we got. Northwest restaurant. Northwest. I wonder what that references to. So it feels quite a bit more quiet over here. I think what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna walk and take a look down below. Then we're gonna go and try to get a view again. And then we're gonna try to access if there's anything interesting over here. I guess you have to look at the left too. So there's a game place. We just kind of walk over here as well. So here's Toto Tong, and then there's actually these games. I don't know what that means. It's like office building. Spa. And I guess that's kind of a video game arcade. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight ahead, and then we're gonna end our video. And kind of my goal is just to, here's called Hair Art Space. And this one is a restaurant. So we're gonna look back at the other one again, and then we're gonna end the video. There's another spa here, spa club to the left. So there's stuff, take in mind there's stuff below us as well. Saw Domino's was one. I didn't see the others down below. There might even be stuff above us as well. But you definitely have an idea. You got a good grasp of some of them. And I'm gonna end it. There's some, what's that? Check something I'd see in Macau, but it's not quite what I'd see. Anyways, so I said Zhuhai.